Men, I want you to really listen for the next few minutes because what I'm about to share may completely shift the way you think about aging, vitality, and what's quietly happening inside your body long before the signs ever reach the surface. And here's the part most men never hear. Using olive oil the wrong way can actually hold your circulation back unless you combine it with one specific ingredient. We'll get to that in just a moment. If you're in your mid-50s, your 60s, or even your 70s, and despite eating clean and choosing healthy oils, you're still noticing weaker mornings, slower response, or fading strength, then this is a conversation you cannot afford to skip. Before we dive deeper, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell so you never miss another men's vitality video. And tell me below, where are you watching from? Share your age and location so you can see just how many men around the world are right here with you. And for those who are new, I'm Dr. Aria Brooks, urologist, men's vitality physician, and educator. I help men restore circulation, rebuild confidence, and understand their bodies in a way that most were never taught growing up. Now let me ask you something simple but important. When was the last time you woke up and felt truly alive? I'm not talking about being awake or having energy. I mean that automatic morning signal every man used to take for granted. The one that tells you your blood is flowing, your hormones are communicating, and your body is still wired exactly the way nature intended. For many men after 55, that signal doesn't vanish suddenly. It fades quietly, almost without warning. One morning you notice something feels off. You stand in front of the mirror and wonder why your body isn't responding the way it used to. You chalk it up to stress, age, or being tired. And slowly, intimacy becomes something you feel pressured to deliver instead of something you look forward to. You want to show up fully. You want to feel strong. But your body hesitates. That hesitation turns into fear. And fear turns into avoidance. Every man who has lived through this moment knows exactly how heavy it feels. But here's the truth almost no man is ever told. The first place aging shows up isn't your muscles, your joints, or even your hormones. It starts in your blood flow, especially in the smallest arteries of your body. These tiny vessels tighten quietly over time. You don't feel it happening. You don't see it happening. But as soon as those microscopic pathways lose flexibility, performance drops long before desire ever does. And that gap, wanting something your body won't give, is what affects men the most. Here's the good news. Blood flow is one of the most adaptable, recoverable systems in the entire body. Your arteries can become more flexible, more responsive, and far more supportive of your vitality, even at 60, 70, or beyond, once you understand what's actually happening inside them. And this is the part that surprises nearly every man I speak to. Your ability to function physically, sexually, and energetically depends far more on blood flow than it does on testosterone. Most men assume that firmness, stamina, and sensitivity are all driven by hormones, but biologically, that's only a small piece of the puzzle. The real command center is something called the endothelium, the thin, intelligent lining inside your blood vessels that controls how easily those vessels relax and widen. When you're young, this lining is flexible and reactive. Blood moves freely, signals fire quickly. But as inflammation, stress, poor sleep, sugar spikes, and the natural aging process accumulate, that lining stiffens. And once it stiffens, it doesn't matter how high your testosterone is or how clean your diet may be. If your blood vessels don't open, nothing changes where men need it most. This is why so many men still feel desire, yet the body simply doesn't respond. It's not a confidence problem. It's not a masculinity problem. It's a circulation problem. And before we go further, I want to quickly mention something many men in your situation have asked me for: a deeper, more complete roadmap. I created something called the All-in-One Men's Vitality and Intimacy Blueprint, a full guide designed specifically for men over 50 who want to naturally rebuild energy, confidence, testosterone, intimacy, and overall health. Inside, I share the exact same methods I use in my clinical practice to help men restore circulation, revive performance, and reignite their relationship. You'll find the link in the description and pinned comment. If you're ready to go beyond temporary fixes and truly master your vitality, it's the perfect next step. Now let's clear up one of the biggest misconceptions men have. Olive oil. Olive oil is absolutely healthy. It supports your heart, reduces inflammation, and nourishes the blood vessels. But here's the part nobody explains. Olive oil alone does not activate blood flow in the small arteries older men rely on. It doesn't trigger nitric oxide. It doesn't open microvessels. It doesn't produce noticeable improvements in circulation. And that's why countless men come to me saying, "Doctor, I'm eating clean. I'm using olive oil. My heart numbers improved. So why is my performance still the same?" Because olive oil strengthens the vessel, but it does not send the activation signal. That missing activation comes from vinegar. Especially apple cider vinegar or red wine vinegar, contains acetic acid, which has a striking effect on how blood vessels behave. I'm not calling it a miracle, and it doesn't replace medical treatment, but it does something very real inside the vascular system. It enhances nitric oxide pathways, the signals that tell your blood vessels to relax and widen. It improves the way your body handles blood sugar after meals, protecting your endothelium from damage. It supports gut health, reduces inflammation, and may even help decrease visceral belly fat, all of which improve circulation. But the real transformation happens when vinegar and olive oil are used together. Vinegar activates, olive oil protects. Vinegar opens the vessel. Olive oil keeps it flexible and resilient. One wakes the system up, the other keeps it healthy enough to respond. This pairing has been used in Mediterranean cultures for generations, not for performance, but for vascular nourishment and metabolic stability. Today, we understand why it works so well. Vinegar sparks nitric oxide. Olive oil shields those pathways from oxidative stress. Vinegar steadies blood sugar. Olive oil boosts antioxidant absorption. Together, they create smoother, more reactive, more youthful blood flow from head to toe. Men often describe the change as their body slowly coming back online. Not all at once, but gradually and consistently. Warmth returns to the hands and feet. Energy becomes steadier. Sleep deepens. Mental clarity sharpens. And yes, morning signals and responsiveness often return as circulation becomes more reactive. Now let's talk about how to do this correctly, because the technique matters. The benefits come from timing and consistency. Taking a small amount of diluted vinegar 10 to 15 minutes before your two largest meals helps stabilize blood sugar and prime nitric oxide pathways. Using extra virgin olive oil and vinegar together with at least one meal, ideally dinner, helps synchronize activation with protection. Most men begin noticing changes in digestion and warmth within the first week, but the deeper circulation benefits generally appear after 3 to 6 weeks of daily practice. And it's important to avoid common mistakes like taking vinegar on an empty stomach if you're sensitive, using cheap refined oils, expecting overnight results, or treating this combination as a replacement for appropriate medical care. Men over 60, I want you to hear this clearly. You are not losing strength because you're too old. You are not fading because your masculinity is disappearing. You are not broken. You are going through a biological process that can absolutely be supported, strengthened, and reactivated with simple habits that nourish circulation. Your vitality isn't gone. It's waiting for blood flow, waiting for activation, waiting for you to take control again. Before we wrap up, I want to answer a question I get more than almost any other. What natural supplements actually support men's health? After reviewing the research and seeing what consistently helps my patients, I've narrowed it down to 4 essentials. 1 for stronger erections, 1 for stamina and performance, 1 for testosterone balance, and 1 for prostate comfort. These are all natural, science-backed formulas that work together to support everything we talk about on this channel. You'll find all 4 linked in the description and pinned comment. And remember, this channel is a place where men support each other, share your age, and where you're watching from. You are not alone, and aging is not the end. It is the beginning of a stronger, wiser chapter. I'm Dr. Aria Brooks, and I'll see you in the next video.